Hi, today let's see how to create a receipt for a customer. For that we have to click on Financial Accounting module. Click on Receipt. Search the customer that we like to send a receipt. Now we can see the invoice balance of all the customers. I am going to select this particular customer called Bounce Saloon. Now we can see there are 3 open invoices with these particular amounts. So we can either clear one particular invoice or all of the invoices based on the amount we give. For an instance, I'm going to give $100 with a check reference number and deposit bank name. If I auto-apply the $100, then it would be applied to one invoice. Or we can split this amount into 3 invoices as well. So right now I'm going to give only one invoice and clicked auto-apply. Now the due amount of the invoice I've selected is $25 is shown and the rest remain the same. Now click on the preview. Now you can see that the receipt is created for this particular invoice and can be viewed in PDF.